On behalf of the U.S. Army and Honolulu Recruiting Company, we'd just like to thank you, Fa'afetai, for having us out here today to witness the swearing-in ceremony for the finest young Toa Samoa, finest young soldiers to join the Army and make this country stronger. Pastor, thank you for the kind words. They're going to need that strength and inspiration as they come through the ranks and build up to be strong men and women of character to take that character back to Samoa. Okay? So, raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your full name. Do solemnly swear to support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic. That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, and that I will obey the orders of the President of the United States and the officers appointed over me, according to regulation and the Uniform Code of Military Justice. So help me God. Put your hand down. Ladies and gentlemen, if you'd please stand and rise. Also, we'd like to thank our 3-7 Field Artillery for coming out here to support us with the gunfire. We'd also like to thank Kaimaki, JRTC Color Guard. We know you guys are getting tired out there with the flags. Great job. So, please rise as we raise our flag.
Say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose bright stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched, were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Check. Our next flag is our Independent State of Samoa, being sung by Assembly of God Church, Pastor Samoan.
Amerika Samoa, sing by the Lighthouse Church.
Amerika Samoa,
Hawai'i Pono'i, sing by the Lighthouse Outreach from the Church of AOG Assembly of God Waipahu.
Hava ponoi nana ikoi kalani ali'i Ke'ali'i makua lani e kameha mea e nakawa e pale e kaie makua lani e kameha mea e nakawa